Okay, let's go.
So the day starts pretty early. Take the pool cover off, ready to give Ethel's pool a vacuum, test the water, and then adjust the chemical balance. Here's a gratuitous salt pour for those who like ASMR. Then jump back in the van and off to our next job. This is Jack's pool. I've been servicing it for many years. Give it a good vacuum. Still nice and early in the morning, so it's pretty chilly, but a sunny day. Back in the van, off to our next job. This is Barbara's pool. It's a fairly old pool. It's got some staining on the bottom, but we'll give it a good vacuum and clean. Then off to the next job, which is just a scoop and a brush. While we're here, we'll give the filter a good backwash and rinse before jumping back in the van and off to another job. Nice backyard. This pool is a little bit leafy, so after a vacuum, we'll adjust the chemical balance. And then it's time for some lunch. Then on to Robert's pool, where we give it a good scoop and a vacuum. And then back in the van to Anne's place. Just a scoop and a brush, but we also need to fix the spider gasket before heading off to Lisa's pool. Again, scoop, brush and vacuum. And in this case we need to clean the cartridge filter. A bit more ASMR for those who like to watch cleaning videos. Back in the van to the last job of the day to install the pressure cleaner pump. Phew. All done. Was that too fast? But wait, before you go, here's a few more videos you might like. If you're into ASMR, green pool transformations, or you're after helpful hints and tips to look after your pool, check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, share with friends and family, and once again, thanks for watching Pool Crew AU. See you next time.